Hello everybody, welcome once again. Here is Rajesh our YouTube channel. So yes, today I will teach you the chemistry in chemistry Rutherford model of atoms. We will study and its limitations and what is the Rutherford models and what does conclusion they have given here and what is the observations of the Rutherford, which way they have done the experiments. These are some questions we will discuss about some questions and these questions answer here one by one. So first of all, we will write here the Rutherford model of the atoms. We will write here Rutherford model of atoms. Rutherford model of an atoms. Rutherford model of an atom. So we'll discuss one by one. So what is Rutherford model of an atom? So how the electrons arrange in how the electron arrange arranged how the electron arrange in a nucleus in in the nucleus and arrange in the nucleus. For this purpose point of view for this purpose point of view Rutherford Rutherford's uh, Rutherford's do the experiment. In his experiments he bombarded a fast moving he bombarded the fast moving alpha particles on the gold alpha particles the charged particles uh, of charged particles helium ions charged particles of helium ions charged particles of helium ions having which have a having mass is 4 units. He he choose alpha particles, sorry, gold foils because because as as we can get the thin foil of gold as gold foil can give the thin as well as possible as well as possible as well as possible it occurs 10,000 times thick. It 10,000 times thick, sorry, thin, or we can say that's thin. And so after observations, after the bombardment of the alpha particles, he observes that what happens here. And what were the observations he sees. Write his observations of Rutherford's observation of Rutherford's 1,000 times. Yes, 1,000 times. Rutherford. What he observed first, he has observed that most alpha particles are follow the straight path. Most alpha particles are follow the straight path. Passes follow the straight path or pass through the straight path. Second observation, he saw that few alpha particles, some alpha particles are deflected by small angles. Some alpha particles are deflected by small angles. And third, he saw that few alpha particles are rebound. Few alpha particles rebound 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 1 out of 1200. That is 1 out of 12,000 alpha particles are rebounds. Then what he has conclusions of Rutherford of Rutherford. He concluded that most of the space are empty. Most of the space of atoms are empty. That is why the all alpha particles and many alpha particles are passed through some straight path. That is why many alpha particles pass through the straight path. Second observation, he said that conclusion that small fraction of alpha particles, fractions of alpha particles deflected small fraction deflected by deflected and deflectors and positive charge occupy a little space. Deflected and positive charge occupy little space. And the third observation is that few fraction of alpha particles deflected by 180 degrees. Deflected by 180 degrees. It means that the inner parts are very dense and have all mass included in it. So now we will discuss about the features he has given and the features of Rutherford model. What would be the features of Rutherford model? They have given different features. Then there are three features also. He said there's the cells nucleus, charge in nucleus. As a features of nucleus, in which they have given the features according to the features of the Rutherford models. He concluded that on the basis of this one, he has given the features. There are positive charge are highly dense. Positive charge are highly dense part. Positive charge are highly in dense part called nucleus. First, it's here positive charges are highly in dense part called nucleus, and the second observations after the observations he concluded that the electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular path. Second, he observed that electron revolve around nucleus in a electron revolve around nucleus in a straight path. Okay, in a distinct straight path. So nucleus in a circular path. Distinction of a circular path. part. And the third, he has concluded that all the concluded that the size of the nucleus is very small. Size of the nucleus is very small, that is 10 to power minus 15 meter than the size of atoms, that is 10 to power minus 10 meters. These are the conclusions. Now we will discuss about the limitations of Rutherford model. Limitations of Rutherford model. What is limitations? First, there are two limitations. His model does not explain the stability of atoms. First, does not. This model does not explain the stability of atoms, and also it does not explain the distributions of electrons, distribution of electrons in the atoms. Okay, these are limitations and some conclusions we have discussed here, say, about the Rutherford models of the atoms. And now here we have completed it. Thank you very much for here coming on this channel. Once again, I will told you that please do subscribe, share, and write the comments so that you cannot miss the video. Okay, thank you.